Picture stepping aboard a brand new celebrity ship, the kind of vessel that promises to push modern luxury cruising into its next chapter. The Celebrity Xcel has been generating curiosity among seasoned cruisers who follow the brand closely, and there is plenty to talk about when it comes to what travelers can expect from a celebrity ship carrying that kind of forward-looking name. Celebrity has built a strong reputation for blending upscale touches with approachable comfort, and any new ship in their fleet inherits a long list of expectations. Cruisers who have sailed the line before know the recipe well. Clean, modern design, attentive service, an emphasis on elevated food and drink, and a layout that flows from quiet corners to lively gathering spots. What follows is a look at the kind of experience cruisers can reasonably expect from a ship of this caliber. Think of it as a guided walkthrough of the spaces, the meals, the entertainment, and the small details that shape a celebrity sailing. The goal is to help future passengers know what to look forward to before they even step on the gangway. The starting point for any honest cruise review is always the cabins, because that is where guests truly spend their downtime. Celebrity tends to offer a full spread of stateroom categories, beginning with interior rooms for budget-minded travelers who only need a comfortable place to sleep. These rooms are usually compact but thoughtfully designed, with soft bedding, smart storage, and a quiet atmosphere that suits guests who plan to spend most of their day exploring the ship. Ocean view cabins step things up by adding a window, which makes a surprising difference for travelers who like waking up to natural light and a glimpse of the sea. They feel noticeably more open without being a major jump in price. Many cruisers consider this the sweet spot for value, especially on longer itineraries where a sense of the outside world matters more. Balcony staterooms are where Celebrity really shines, and they tend to make up a large share of the rooms on a modern ship. Having a private outdoor space transforms the cruise experience, whether it is morning coffee with a sunrise or a quiet nightcap under the stars. The balconies on newer celebrity ships have leaned into a more seamless indoor and outdoor feel, with sliding doors and finishes that blur the line between cabin and deck. Suites occupy the top of the ladder, and Celebrity is well known for its dedicated suite program that offers exclusive dining, lounge access, and personal butler-style service. The square footage grows considerably, the bathrooms become spa-like, and the views often stretch across 2 stories of glass. Frequent cruisers who upgrade once tend to find it very hard to go back to a standard balcony. Smart technology has become a signature of newer ships, and that often means in-room tablets or apps that handle climate, lighting, room service, and entertainment. Guests can usually cast content from their own devices to the cabin television, which is a small luxury that makes a sea day feel even more relaxing. Accessible staterooms are part of the standard offering across categories, with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and adjusted layouts that make travel possible for guests with mobility needs. Families traveling together can usually find connecting cabins that let parents and kids share space without sharing a single room. This kind of layout is a quiet but important feature, especially for multi-generational groups who want privacy without splitting across distant decks. It is one of those practical touches that does not get marketed loudly but matters enormously when the trip begins. Dining is arguably where Celebrity has carved out its strongest identity in the premium cruise space. The main dining room experience generally rotates menus nightly, with a mix of classic favorites and more adventurous plates designed by the line's culinary team. Service tends to be polished without being stiff, and the waitstaff often remember guest preferences within a day or two. Buffet-style venues round out the casual side of the experience, offering everything from morning omelets cooked to order to global stations at lunch and dinner. These are the kind of spaces where cruisers can graze, mix cuisines, and try a little of everything without committing to a full sit-down meal. Quality at the Celebrity Buffet has historically held up better than at many competitors, which is a frequent point of praise from regulars. Specialty restaurants are where the ship truly flexes its culinary muscles, and Celebrity has long invested in standalone concepts that feel like fine dining at street level. Travelers can expect options spanning steakhouse traditions, Italian-inspired cooking, French technique, and Asian-influenced menus. These venues usually carry a cover charge or come bundled with dining packages, and many cruisers consider them well worth the upgrade for at least a few nights of the sailing. Themed dinners and special culinary events are another hallmark of the brand. Wine pairing nights, chef's tables, and tasting menus give food lovers a reason to plan their evenings around the dining schedule. These events tend to book up quickly, so early reservations after boarding are usually the smart move. The bar program is another area where Celebrity has built genuine loyalty. Craft cocktail venues, dedicated martini spaces, wine-focused lounges, and casual poolside bars all contribute to a layered drinking scene. Bartenders on the line are often praised for their creativity, and signature cocktails tend to lean modern rather than overly sweet. Coffee culture also gets attention, with espresso bars that take their craft seriously and pastry counters that make a mid-morning break feel like a small ritual. For guests who enjoy a quiet flat white with a book, these little corners of the ship become favorite hideaways. The overall food and beverage scene rewards cruisers who are willing to explore beyond the main dining room. Out on the open decks, the pool area tends to serve as the social heart of the ship during sea days. Celebrity typically designs a main pool surrounded by tiered loungers with whirlpools positioned to catch the best views. Live music, a poolside bar, and the occasional grill station keep the energy comfortable rather than chaotic. Adults-only retreats have become a major draw on modern ships, and Celebrity has been particularly thoughtful about this. These spaces tend to feature calmer music, plush daybeds, and dedicated bar service, giving grown-up cruisers a refuge from family commotion. The atmosphere leans toward resort relaxation rather than party scene, which suits the brand's premium positioning. Solariums or covered pool spaces are common on Celebrity ships, providing climate-controlled lounging for cooler itineraries or strong sun days. Guests can swim, soak, or simply nap on a daybed while still feeling connected to the sea outside the glass. For travelers sailing northern routes, these protected spaces become some of the most used real estate on the ship. Whirlpools are usually scattered across multiple decks, including some perched at the edge of the ship for those classic sunset soak photos. The combination of warm water, sea breeze, and slow-moving horizon is a small but enduring pleasure of cruising. Cruisers who time their soak around late afternoon tend to enjoy the quietest stretches. Activity programming on a modern Celebrity ship is designed to keep guests engaged without feeling pressured. Sports decks usually offer pickleball, basketball, jogging tracks, and other active options for guests who want to burn off the buffet. Fitness centers come well equipped, with high-end cardio machines, free weights, and dedicated studio spaces for group classes. Climbing walls, ropes courses, and similar adventure features have appeared on some newer ships, often paired with sweeping ocean views that make the workout feel earned. These activities tend to be free to use and supervised by trained staff. They give thrill seekers something to brag about without requiring an excursion off the ship. Evening entertainment is one of the areas where Celebrity has invested heavily over recent years. Production shows blend live music, dance, aerial work, and high-tech staging into performances that feel more like a small-scale theater experience than a typical cruise review. Guest performers, comedians, and tribute acts round out the schedule across a typical week at sea. Lounge entertainment fills in the spaces around the headline shows, with jazz trios, acoustic guitarists, piano bars, and dance floors keeping the late-night hours interesting. Silent discos and themed parties have become a favorite for younger cruisers and the young at heart. The brand is generally good at offering loud fun and quiet listening within easy walking distance of each other. Cultural and educational programming has been a quiet strength of the line. Guest speakers, destination lectures, culinary demonstrations, art talks, and wine seminars give curious travelers something more substantial than poolside trivia. These programs often draw bigger crowds than people expect, especially on sea days. The spa is another area where Celebrity has built a reputation for genuine quality rather than the upsell-heavy treatments that plague some competitors. Massage menus typically span Swedish, deep tissue, hot stone, and couples options, with treatment rooms designed for actual relaxation rather than quick turnover. Therapists tend to be skilled and the atmosphere stays calm even during peak hours. Thermal suites usually include saunas, steam rooms, heated loungers, and hydrotherapy pools that can be enjoyed for a day pass or a full cruise package. Regulars often consider this the single best wellness investment on the ship, especially during cold weather sailings. Spending an hour rotating through the different stations is a genuine reset for body and mind. Salon services cover hair, nails, and skin care, with packages that scale from quick touch-ups to full pamper days. Specialty treatments like teeth whitening, acupuncture, and medical-grade skin therapies are commonly offered for guests who want to take their wellness experience further. Pricing tends to be on the premium side, but periodic port day discounts can soften the blow. Fitness classes range from yoga and Pilates to spin, boot camp, and stretching sessions. Many of the basic offerings are free, while specialty classes usually carry a small fee. Sunrise yoga on an upper deck with the sea sliding by is one of those quietly memorable cruise experiences that even non-yogis sometimes try once and then come back for more. Wellness extends to dining as well, with plant-based menus, lighter options, and clearly marked dishes for guests watching specific dietary goals. Smoothie bars, juice stations, and healthier snack spots make it possible to balance the indulgence with something fresher. The overall message is that wellness should not feel like punishment on vacation. For families sailing together, kids and teens programming has long been part of the Celebrity offering, even though the line skews a little more grown-up than some competitors. Younger children typically have access to age-grouped clubs with arts, crafts, games, and themed activities led by trained youth staff. The environment is bright, safe, and designed to give parents real downtime while still keeping kids engaged. Tweens and teens usually get their own dedicated spaces, which is essential since lumping them in with the little ones never works for long. These hangouts often include video gaming, movie nights, sports tournaments, and supervised social events. Older teens tend to appreciate having a spot that feels like their own without parents hovering nearby. Family-friendly programming spreads beyond the clubs as well. Pool games, scavenger hunts, character meetups, and family trivia bring everyone together in shared spaces. Celebrity tends to keep the family scene calmer than the megaship rivals, which suits parents who want a vacation that does not feel like a theme park. Ports of call and shore excursions are where a cruise itinerary turns into actual memories. While the specific ports for this ship will depend on the season and region, Celebrity generally favors destinations that combine cultural depth with photogenic appeal. That can mean Caribbean beaches, European old towns, Alaskan glaciers, or the dramatic coastlines of the Mediterranean. Shore excursion programs typically span the full range, from gentle walking tour and food tastings to active adventures like snorkeling, kayaking, ziplining, and hiking. Cultural offerings often include cooking classes, artisan workshops, and visits to historic sites with knowledgeable local guides. Premium small group experiences are usually available for travelers who prefer to skip the big bus crowds. Independent exploration is always an option as well, and Celebrity tends to dock at locations where walking off the ship and exploring on foot is realistic. Tendering operations, when needed, are usually well organized, though as with any ship, patience helps on busy port mornings. Returning to the ship in the late afternoon for a quiet dip in the pool while the lines crowd the gangway is one of the small joys of cruising. The destinations themselves are often the deciding factor for repeat travelers. Whether the sailing wraps around tropical islands or ducks into northern fjords, the ship serves as a comfortable mobile base camp. Waking up in a new place every couple of days without ever repacking a suitcase remains the magic trick of this kind of travel. Stepping back to look at the overall experience, a Celebrity ship like this one is most likely to appeal to cruisers who want a polished, grown-up vacation without losing the ability to bring family along. Strengths usually include the food and beverage program, the stateroom quality, the spa and thermal suite, and the consistently strong service from a well-trained crew. These are not small things, and they are the reasons the brand commands the loyalty it does. Weaker points on any modern cruise ship tend to follow a familiar pattern. Specialty dining and premium drink packages can add up quickly, and the upsell on shore excursions, spa treatments, and photo packages is constant for guests who do not set a budget. Wi-Fi has improved across the industry but still sometimes lags behind what people expect on land, especially in remote areas. Crowding during peak times around the buffet, theater entries, and gangway departures is part of cruise life, even on a well-designed ship. Smart timing helps a lot, and guests who learn the rhythm of the schedule by day 2 usually have a smoother trip. Overall, the experience tends to land firmly in the premium category and delivers what it promises. What sets a ship like this apart from competitors comes down to the layered details. The brand has staked out a position between the casual mass-market lines and the ultra-luxury small ships, and it executes that middle ground unusually well. Travelers get the variety of activities and venues that bigger ships offer, paired with finishes and service touches that feel closer to a boutique hotel. The food and beverage scene continues to be one of the strongest selling points, with specialty restaurants that compete with respected land-based concepts. The suite class experience with private dining, dedicated lounges, and elevated service gives high-end travelers a true premium tier without forcing them onto a different cruise line. And the design language across the ship leans clean, modern, and adult, which appeals to a guest base that prefers calm over chaos. Events and conference facilities are another part of the offering that often goes unmentioned in standard reviews. Celebrity ships typically include conference-style spaces, meeting rooms, and flexible venues that can host private group events, weddings, milestone celebrations, and corporate charters. For groups planning a wedding at sea or a milestone birthday gathering, these spaces and the dedicated event staff that come with them are a meaningful draw. Audio-visual support, banquet-style catering, and tailored event planning are usually available for groups willing to book in advance. The combination of an attractive venue, transportation included, and a planning team that handles logistics makes group events surprisingly painless. Many cruise lines offer this on paper, but Celebrity tends to execute it with the polish of a hotel events team. Guest experience highlights are often the moments that travelers remember long after the tan fades. It might be a server who remembered a guest's wine preference on the second night and quietly poured the same selection on the fifth. It might be a sommelier who pulled a perfectly chosen bottle to match a last-minute menu change at a specialty restaurant. It might be the cabin attendant who learned a small detail about a guest's family and arranged a surprise dessert on an anniversary night. These touches are not on the brochure, but they are why guests return to the brand and recommend it to friends. Celebrity has built its reputation on a culture of attention, and crews tend to take genuine pride in delivering it. For cruisers considering a sailing on the Celebrity Xcel, the experience promises to land squarely in that elevated premium category that the brand has worked for years to define. Travelers should arrive with an open schedule